What's up, everybody? The 1B here again, and I am doing another thumbnail creation, this time for a video where I make a meme for a friend that asked me to make some changes on some text on an image that he found. And so, as you know, I have templates for these thumbnails, and so these are just quick looks into the process that I go through when I'm using these templates. They're very simple, and I like them to be clean and very functional. So let's get started with this. Basically, the first thing I want to do is I have the meme here, and we're going to go ahead and drop that in. Drop that down into the background section. And we're going to hold Alt, and we're going to drag this effect up to this image. And we're going to look here. This image here is 5% opacity. So we're going to do the same. Delete the other one. Now you have the meme back there. So it just kind of gives it a little bit of a texture, I feel, in the gray. But I really want the focus to be on this to kind of tell you what, the video is about. Give it some consistency, but kind of hide the process in the back, right? Like the finished product in the back. That's kind of my thought on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and we're going to be calling this stay at home meme creation. And I'm a little torn because I may be able to do I've been trying to make a square out of these. Let's look at creation. Maybe I can bring this together a little bit. Let's call it 100 and see. That's not too bad. 75 look like? Okay, 75 is even better. So let's try 75. And then let's try to do this at 200. It's too much. 150. Bad either. Wondering if I should put home and meme together. Stay at home meme. Maybe if I can get stay and at the same spacing as creation, then it'll give that box fill. And if I can get home and meme to be about the same, that's the key. And then I may even have a little trickery set up for this one just for some fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to just drag this down for a minute. We're going to hide home and meme. Grab this text. Go up to character. Currently at 141. I don't know about that. Can I tighten creation anymore? That's the question. I mean, sure I can. That's not bad right there. Okay. I'm not mad at that at all. So now we just need to make sure that what we have is even, right? Bring this in. So that's a couple pixels off. I think I can steal some space from between the IO and the ON. Oh, matter of fact, might even be able to just shift it to the right. Ooh, that's perfect. So now that just needs to be situated. So let's bring back stay at to the top. Creation to the bottom is there. Then we're going to turn on home and meme. We're going to try to measure those ones out. So home needs to be widened. Meme could be tightened. How do we feel? Try to open up this one. 150. 50 is pretty good on that E and M situation. So the difference comes down to the O, the HO. Do I space those out more? It's pretty even already. Trying to think about if I should. I guess I could the M and the E on each of those, but I'm marking it up that way. I shrink the M and the E. That M and the E is so perfect on the home and the meme that I hate to mess with it. And then the HO and the ME, like that O needs to be over the E a little bit, but then it's going to crowd the M. And that H could go to the left to make it flat on that end, which is the H and the E are my primary concern, but those lining up there is really nice. Okay, here's where I'm going to try to do this. There's already a lot of space here. You know what I just did there? Damn, that's close. See, this could go a pixel to the right, this could go a pixel to the left. So let's squeeze this space if I can. 174. That do anything? $160 did it perfectly. Okay. And then this O though. Does it have the space between here and here about even? That's the key to that balance. think so. I think I'm okay with that. So there's 11, so there's 12, 11, 12. Well, that's basically what's going to have to happen. Let's go File, Save. There's a bunch of lines here. I think this is centered. What if I was to choose this one, and this one? Do you think it would be centered? Not the selection. A little bit. Does that mess up the lineup? Lightly. Just with creation, really. Like that. Okay, File, Save. So there's one other thing that I wanted to do. Let's go ahead and take the, oops, select logo, upper underscore. Let's go ahead and drag that out. Grab it. And let's go ahead and give it a 30-degree angle. Center it. Okay, right click T, flip horizontal, drag it over. All right, so that's our center. Pixel over, pixel over, pixel over, pixel over. If we changed it white. So expand by 1. Enter that in. Now watch this. Go ahead and merge. Control D that. Select, modify, contract by 1. Control Shift I. Delete. Control D. Ding 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 ding. File. Save. Select the background. Hide that. File. Export. Quick PNG. Graphic design. Dope. Thumbnails, creative. New folder. What's the new folder? Stay at home meme creation thumbnail. Here. Stay at home meme thumbnail. Save. File, save. All right. That one was a little fun. I liked this one. I kind of like because it's very simple, and I like to add, like, I keep most of the text black, but I like to add that one little element of white to kind of tie it in with the black on the logo and the white on the Photoshop logo. So that's something that I like to do, and I like the little house part. So yeah, this is good. Thanks everybody again for watching. As usual, I got a bunch of stuff trying to come out and trying to get out, and just watch for it. Check it out. If you enjoy this stuff, like, subscribe, you know the deal. Thanks everybody. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.